Good morning, students. Welcome to day 2 of Fit India School Week. Let us start our today's program with the lecture by Mrs. Veena Arora on the topic Re Strengthening of the Mind Post Pandemic. So, let's watch.
Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Today I am going to speak on the topic re-strengthening of mind post-pandemic. Life seems to give lot of lessons to us every moment, but we fail to understand unless we fail a catastrophe. Until we understand the laws of nature, it is already too late. The current situation of the world is no less than a world war, which has put everyone in a skeptical situation, especially dealing with young and black minds. The coronavirus disease 2019 pandemic has created anxieties, turbulence, and fears in the young minds, and they barrage their parents with heap of questions. COVID-19 has caused a global concern for public health emergency. The studies reveal that the children are equally susceptible to infection as the elderly people. Many other factors that increase their susceptibility include poverty, malnutrition, unawareness, and special health care needs. So, the way the parents transfer the information to the children about the pandemic is highly responsible for the fear level of children. So, it is important to acknowledge their feelings and involve them in different activities like reading books, engaging in art and craft, helping parents in daily chores, exercise and yoga to remain fit, meditation and spiritual talks to remain emotionally balanced, praying, practicing mindfulness, gardening to remain close to nature, searching online learning options. Although pandemic phase is difficult to manage because we all are throughout in a state of dilemma whether we will be safe survivors or not. Yet we have to tackle the situation by our positive approach so that our children should strengthen themselves. So it's the responsibility of the teachers too to keep their students updated with the facts and attend to their queries in a calm and polite way. Thank you. That's all.
Thank you, Mrs. Veena Arora. So, students, now let's talk about yoga protocol. The aim of yoga is to encourage a positive and healthy lifestyle for physical, mental, and emotional health of children. It helps in the development of strength, stamina, endurance, and high energy at physical and mental levels. Yoga has been integrated as an essential component of health and physical education. But due to coronavirus, all schools are closed since March 2020. Though the children are being guided by their teachers at home not only for subject specific online learning but also on yoga along with physical exercises. These days, as there is much focus on health and well being of children, it is expected that they are not only getting awareness but also doing yogic practices at their homes. So, here are some common yoga protocols. But before we start with yoga protocol, here's a beautiful poem by Tanvi.
आज मैं आपके सामने कोरोना वायरस के ऊपर एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। आई एक अनजान बीमारी, नाम है